In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream oxygen sensor on this Lexus IS250. This is also known as the air-fuel ratio sensor. The procedure and sensor is the same on both left and right banks. This will be located on the top of your exhaust manifolds on each side. I'll be showing you the driver's side, but the procedure is exactly the same on the passenger side. Let's get started. To get to the electrical connector, you're going to want to reach in through right over here between the intake and the brake master cylinder, all the way to the back of the head, right next to the top of the strut. I want to remove this relay box because it'll open up some space for us to reach down in and do our job. So use a 10mm socket and remove this mounting nut and that mounting bolt. Pull this box up and out of the way. If you follow the wire coming from the sensor, you'll see the connector right over here. I know this is a view from behind or underneath, but it's the best I could give you so you could see what I'm doing while I'm actually undoing it. This right here is going to be the locking tab for the connector that you have to press while you pull on the connector itself, and that's going to be the most challenging part, is to actually press and pull at the same time. All right, so a long pick is the answer, better than a pocket screwdriver, so you can have one hand on the wire and the other hand on the pick. Now what we want to do is put an oxygen sensor socket on that oxygen sensor with an extension and a ratchet, break it free, and remove it. Oh, I got it. All right. At this point, I'm hoping I can just spin it by hand, and it looks like that is a yes. And there it is. Ensure that the threads on the manifold are good. Mine are. So take the new oxygen sensor and thread it in. Let's put our socket on it, and we'll snug it up. All right, that feels nice and tight, and what you want is to crush the washer that's at the base of the threads. That's what's going to seal things up. So if you just give it about a quarter turn after it has bottomed out and it touches the washer, that'll squish it enough to not only lock it in, but like I said, seal it up. So at this point, all we have left to do is to connect it. So let's reach behind with the new connector, and connecting it should be easier than disconnecting it, because all you have to do is press it in. Now you want to make sure that it's lined up just right. There it goes. It clicked, so that's locked in. Now let's resecure our box, reinstall the appropriate hardware, and just snug it up. All right, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.